how to factory reset an iPhone so that you can sell it or give it to someone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fully wipe your iPhone and remove your Apple ID account so that then you can sell it, give it away, or trade it in without having to worry about your data being on it or it being locked to your Apple ID account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's actually really easy to do this. The first thing we need to do is open up the settings on our iPhone. And then the first thing I recommend doing is just making sure that your iPhone is backed up. So this is optional. If you don't care about any of the data on your iPhone, then don't follow this step. But if you do, maybe pictures, messages, things like that, all you need to do is select the top where it says Apple ID account, then select iCloud, then just scroll down, and what you want to select is iCloud backup. Once in here, you'll be able to see the last successful backup. And if it's been a while, go ahead and select backup now, and that'll just make sure that everything that you want backed up will be backed up. So once you do that, go back to the main page of the settings here, and then just scroll down, and all you want to do is select General. Once on General, just scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then all you need to do is select Erase All Content and Settings. Now, as you can see here, this process not only signs you out of your Apple ID account, it removes all your personal data so that your iPhone can be safely traded or given away. So it meets everything that we want. It shows you how much data is on your phone, the Apple ID account, if you have Find My turned on, and your Apple Wallet items such as credit card, bank accounts, things like that. So go ahead and select Continue, and then select Erase iPhone. You'll need to enter the passcode for your iPhone, so go ahead and do that. Then once you enter the password, it'll start the reset process. So if it doesn't respond initially when you enter your password, give it a second, and then you'll see the Apple symbol with a loading screen. So it's going through the reset process. Then give it about 5 minutes to perform the factory reset. Once you see this screen, you could swipe up and start going through the setup process. Your Apple ID has been removed from this phone as well as all of your data, so you can give it away, sell it, or just add a different Apple ID account to it, maybe someone in your family, something like that. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.